नमस्ते दोस्तों। स्वागत है आपका आज के डेली इंग्लिश लर्निंग क्लास में। आज हम सीखेंगे एक सिंपल और यूज़फुल टॉपिक। मेरे साथ रिपीट कीजिए और कॉन्फिडेंट इंग्लिश बोलना स्टार्ट कीजिए।
I wake up early in the morning.
I wake up early in the morning.
I brush my teeth every day.
I brush my teeth every day.
I wash my face with soap.
I wash my face with soap.
I take a bath daily.
I take a bath daily.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
I wear clean clothes.
I wear clean clothes.
I drink a glass of water.
I drink a glass of water.
I have breakfast at 8 o'clock.
I have breakfast at 8 o'clock.
I go to school every day.
I go to school every day.
I go to college by bus.
I go to college by bus.
I sit in the classroom.
I sit in the classroom.
I listen to my teacher carefully.
I listen to my teacher carefully.
I write in my notebook.
I write in my notebook.
I read English daily.
I read English daily.
I play with my friends.
I play with my friends.
I eat lunch in the afternoon.
I eat lunch in the afternoon.
I do my homework in the evening.
I do my homework in the evening.
I watch TV for 1 hour.
I watch TV for 1 hour.
I help my mother in the kitchen.
I help my mother in the kitchen.
I water the plants every day.
I water the plants every day.
I go to the market with my father.
I go to the market with my father.
I buy fruits and vegetables.
I buy fruits and vegetables.
I play games on my mobile.
I play games on my mobile.
I talk to my friends on the phone.
I talk to my friends on the phone.
I study at night.
I study at night.
I read a storybook.
I read a storybook.
I pray before sleeping.
I pray before sleeping.
I sleep at o'clock.
I sleep at o'clock.
I wake up early on Sundays too.
I wake up early on Sundays too.
I sometimes go to the park.
I sometimes go to the park.
I exercise in the morning.
I exercise in the morning.
I ride my bicycle.
I ride my bicycle.
I wash my hands before eating.
I wash my hands before eating.
I eat healthy food.
I eat healthy food.
I drink milk daily.
I drink milk daily.
I go to tuition classes.
I go to tuition classes.
I clean my room.
I clean my room.
I fold my clothes.
I fold my clothes.
I put my shoes in the rack.
I put my shoes in the rack.
I keep my books on the table.
I keep my books on the table.
I love my daily routine.
I love my daily routine.
I wake up with a smile.
I wake up with a smile.
I do yoga every morning.
I do yoga every morning.
I use my computer to study.
I use my computer to study.
I check my bag before school.
I check my bag before school.
I polish my shoes.
I polish my shoes.
I take care of
I take care of.
दोस्तों, एक छोटा सा टास्क, नीचे कमेंट करके लिखिए जो सेंटेंस आपको सबसे अच्छा लगा और प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि आपको रोज़ाना इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोस मिलते रहें। धन्यवाद।